Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the splash display. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is identify the top of our display. So the top of the display will have the light clips. So I'm just going to gently pull up on the hardware and fully expand my display. Once I have the display fully expanded, I'm going to begin to lock all the internal locking clips together. So I'm just going to push the clip together, and I'm going to repeat these steps for all of my internal locking clips. Now that I have all my locking clips clipped together, I'm going to lay down my display on a clean flat surface to start installing the graphic. So I'm just going to gently lay down my frame. Now that I have my hardware laid down, I'm ready to install the graphic. So to install the graphic, I'm just going to open my graphic and identify the front. So I'm just going to spread out my graphic. Now that I have my graphic spread out across my frame, I'm ready to start connecting it using the hook and loop. So starting on the one edge of the graphic, we're going to begin to connect the loop to the hook on the hubs on the back of our display. So I'm going to grab the corner and connect it to the back hub. Now that we have the back hub attached, we're going to connect the front hub. So you may want to pull lightly on your graphic and make sure it's taut and then connect it to the front top hub. We're going to repeat these exact same steps for the remaining hubs on the front of our display. So I'm just going to move on to the next hub and using the hook and loop attach the graphic. Now that I have my graphic attached to the top of my frame, I'm going to stand my display up and continue connecting all the hubs. So I'm just going to stand my display up. Now that I have my display in the standing position, I'm going to repeat the exact same steps that I did before. So I'm going to grab my graphic and wrap it around to the back and connect it on the back hubs, and then I'm going to work down the bottom of my display and connect it back on the other side. So I'm going to work down this back portion. Then I'm going to work towards the front. And it's just that easy to set up your splash display.